In this video, I am going to show you how to delete WordPress website and start over. So at first we will delete our WordPress website, then we will install WordPress and create a new WordPress website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our WordPress website and today we are going to delete this WordPress website and install WordPress again. So to delete our WordPress website, we need to log into our cPanel. For this video, I am using Hostinger for my website. So right now I am in the hPanel of the Hostinger, but the process is almost the same for all the web hosting platforms. Now from the Hostinger hPanel, here we will see the hosting section. So we are going to click on manage from here. Now from here we will select file manager. If you have a cPanel hosting, log into your cPanel and go to file manager. Click public_HTML. If you have multiple websites on your web hosting, then here you will see multiple folders. So I will select my website folder. So this is our website multiple.otherweb.com. So I will select my website folder and here we will see all the WordPress files. So we are going to press Ctrl A from our keyboard. All the files will be selected. Now from the top we are going to click on delete. Click on delete again. All the files are now deleted. Now again we will go back to our Hostinger hPanel. Now from the left menu we will select databases and select management from here. Scroll down and you will see the databases section. Now here we will see our database. If you have multiple websites, then here you will see multiple databases. Now we are going to delete our database. Click on this 3 dots button. Click on delete. Click on confirm delete. And our database is deleted successfully. Now to install WordPress again, we are going to click on website and select auto installer. If you are using a cPanel hosting, scroll down to software section and click on Softaculous Apps Installer. Then select WordPress. So we will select WordPress from here. So we will add our website title, email, username and password. And as I want to install WordPress on the subdomain, so I am going to select advanced from here and then select my subdomain. After that, click on next, click on install, click on overwrite, and WordPress is now installing on our domain. And now again if I click on this website, and here we will see the brand new WordPress installation. So this is how you can delete your WordPress website and start over. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.